Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the exact model and tools you will change. Open the config and checkpoint you intend to edit and make a reliable backup. This prevents irreversible mistakes. Once backed up, install and verify the CLI or Python SDK you will use to patch controls, for example, the model runner and a YAML editor. Next, load the model in evaluation mode so you can safely inspect control layers and current parameter values before making any edits. You now modify the control parameters themselves. Identify the control blocks such as attention masks, scaling factors, adapters, or schedulers, and change numbers deliberately. Small steps like 0, 1 or 0, 0, 1 matter. Use atomic edits. Change one variable, save, and run a quick sanity check to ensure no syntax or dimension mismatches. Once done, load the model in a dry run to confirm shapes and forward pass stability. This prevents runtime crashes and gives immediate feedback on the effect of your edits. You finish by validating and locking in your changes. Run unit tests, sample inferences, and a short benchmark to confirm expected behavior and latency. Compare metrics to the backup baseline. If anything goes wrong, restore the backup or revert the atomic commit immediately. Once results are acceptable, tag the final config and checkpoint and record the specific edits in your change log so you, or someone else, can reproduce them later. Troubleshooting tip: if outputs diverge wildly, reduce edits to one parameter and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.